Hi, this is your professor Sudha Kolathu Parambil. If a graph is given, if we want to identify whether this graph represents a function or not, we can use a vertical line test. So if you draw any vertical line that intersect a graph more than once, then the graph does not define a function. There are three graphs given. If you draw a vertical line anywhere on this graph, it will intersect the graph only at once. So you can see that here if I draw a vertical line, it will intersect the graph only at once. So this is a function. But for this graph, if I draw a vertical line, you can see that it intersects the graph at 2 points. That means for one x value, there are two y values. Function should have only one output value for each input value. That means there should be only one y value for each x value. But here there are two y values for one x value. So this is not a function. Easier way is draw a vertical line. If it touches the graph more than once, that is not a function. So this one also, it is very clear that if I draw a vertical line anywhere on the graph, it will cross the graph more than once. So that is also not a function. Let's look at few more example. If I draw a vertical line anywhere on this graph, this will cross only once. So this is a function. This one, if I draw a vertical line anywhere on the graph, you can see that this crossed the graph twice. So this is not a function. This one is also, you can see that it crossed the graph more than once. So this is not a function. How about the fourth one? If I draw a vertical line anywhere on the graph, you can see that it will cross only, that vertical line will cross only at one point on the graph. So this is a function. We can conclude that a graph represents a function if it is impossible to draw a vertical line that intersect the graph more than once. That means at the most it can intersect the graph once.